Yeah, you know I stay drippin'. These bitches stay mad, stay trippin'. Fendi bag full of blue hundred straight crippin'. If a nigga like a pic, she hate different. Last year was underrated, now my rate different. Now my cake different. Twist the recipe, I bake different.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimmy Duo here, and today's video is going to be me installing a wig. Don't mind my clothing, I just like to be comfortable when I'm doing stuff, right? So yeah, I already got my hair braided down. My mom braided it down for me, whatever, and I put my hair growth oil in my hair. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing a wig install video. I don't know if I'm gonna do a glueless or a regular glue down. We'll figure it out. So now I'm just gonna take out my cap and stuff since it's already braided and it's oiled. I'm going to be releasing my hair oils soon. If you have me on Instagram, my hair page or my regular page, I posted about the hair growth oil or whatever, and me about to launch it. So I'm gonna launch hair growth oil. I'm gonna launch I'm launching a, I have the edge control on my finger. I'm launching a hair growth oil, the edge control, and I'm gonna put out some bonnets as well. They're all gonna be released the same day, I believe. I think I'm gonna release them all on the same day. We just have to see. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Buy my products when they're released, and let's get into it. Okay, so first step, since my hair's already braided down and it's already oiled, now I'm just gonna take my edge control and put it on my edges to lay like my hair's back so it doesn't. Now I don't OD with the edge control when I'm putting it on. Okay, so I put that on. Now I'm gonna take my brush, my edge brush or whatever. I'm just gonna brush it back. When I put the oil in my hair, they got on my edges, but this should still hold it down. Let me just add some more. So y'all, this is my edge control. I've been using it for a while now. I just OD'd right there. I just OD'd, but I'm gonna fix it up. So now this edge control is a is a control. Like, it's one of the edge controls that makes it stay in place. Like, it don't go nowhere. Okay. I'll just action this off my forehead, because most of it is oil. Now I'm going to be taking a wig cap. I have two different ones. I think I'm going to go with this one, because I don't feel like putting as much. Oh, I have a brown one too. Let's do this one. I'm going to use this wig cap and put it on. And stretch it out a little bit from the back all the way up to the front. So I'm making sure I'm tucking everything in the back in. Pulling everything in, pulling everything back. Yeah. So this is how I do them. Over your ears, all of that. Imagine moving around like this. Your eyes like this all day. Now, I'm going to cut ear tabs. Now, I broke my scissors yesterday, so we're going to have to work with these. So ear through this side. And ear through on this side. Open this a little more. Okay. So ears through. Here's back in the wrap. Now we're gonna take our got to be spray and spray it on your hairline. So
damn, high class, I need this one.
alright, y'all, so we're back. We're gonna do the glue down wig install. So I put the got to be on, it's all dried up, whatever. So now we're gonna cut the top off. I saw this new method where you cut it first here, right? Right. So now since that's through, you take the band and you hold it, use it to, like right here, and use it to hold the rest of the braids up. So like, see that? It's held up now. So now what I'm gonna do is, you see the little pieces that's still up? What I learned from taking this class that I took is that you spray. It got to be on your finger, right? And you just press whatever's left out and in. So I'm gonna continue doing that around. And also, you don't need a lot of like, you don't gotta OD when you spray it on your finger. Like, a little goes a long way. So it just lays it right back down after cutting it up. Go back and dry, just let it go. But we're gonna dry on cold. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I have two powders like this. I have this one, and it's broke. It's called, I feel like this might be too dark. So I'm trying to decide, should I go with this? Or should I go with my concealer? Which one I think I should do? Like, it don't look dark now, but in person it's way darker. Like, the color I have, the other one that I have that I can't find is like my exact one for my scalp. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna see. This thing is all broken and busted out. Here's my pinky. It's a little too dark. So I'm just gonna go with my concealer. I have the color Beautiful Bronze. So I'm gonna put it on my finger, on my hand, on my finger. Mix it around. Now I'm not using a lot of this because normally I don't really use this. But I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I'm gonna mix it around on my hand. Then I'm gonna take this brush and dip it and spin it around in it. So I have it on my hand. So we're done with that. As you can see, Wig Cap method completed. I'm gonna take this adhesive. Well, it's not a it's I can't even talk. It's a skin guard to the adhesive I'm gonna use. This from Ericka J. This is what I use when I always install my wigs. So I'm gonna take this and spray this. Why it's not? Here we go. So I put the skin guard on and let it cool, well, dry out. Here's my wig. Now this is an old wig I have. It's a water wig, water wig from Isee 150 density Mongolian hair. I had this for I used this for my senior pictures when I was in high school, and it's mad cute. I think it's 24 inches, I believe. So I'm gonna go back and use this one. The lace is already pre-cut, whatever. I sewed a band on the inside. So yeah, and I have the combs in the back. So now what I'm gonna be doing is just putting this wig on. So putting the combing on the back and pulling the wig up to the front of my head. Okay, yeah. So it's at the front of my head. Now I'm just measuring it up to make sure it's sitting in the right spot, y'all. So fold the wig back. I'm going to take my Hair by Ericka J lace adhesive. Hold me down, hold me down, hold me down. I'm gonna spot it. Yeah, I gotta go see the outside so I can see. So I do one on the lace, one on my scalp, like that. Bottom corner. I'm gonna take the ends of my comb and just I'm gonna do a couple of layers of this, so about 3 layers.
Damn, high class. I need this one.
Come up. So when this turns clear, I'm gonna install it. Alright, guys, so I have to go in the big mirror to finish laying it in the right spot, whatever. So now I'm just gonna go in and like brush this back first. So I'm gonna spray it to take out some tangles. And then We're gonna go over it with the hot comb and do some baby hairs.
Turn her ass around and just
Jello beats, holla at me.
Installing, like gluing it down or whatever. So I put the elastic band on, as you guys can see. Now I'm waiting for my hot comb to heat up so I can hot comb it. I sprayed it through with some water so I could let me pause that, sorry y'all. Like I said, I finished installing it. I put the elastic band on, and I'm gonna leave this elastic band on for like a half an hour or whatever, and then I detangled it already. This side is drying a little quick because I used less wood on this side than this side. But I'm waiting for my hot comb to heat up so I could hot comb my roots or whatever. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a middle part and put my headband on for y'all, or if I just want to do a straight back like how everybody's been doing and just do like the baby hair things. I don't know how to do baby hair, so that's gonna be a struggle for me. Like, I can't do it on myself, so we're gonna see how it's gonna go. As you can see, my part is mostly clean. What I might do later is I might just go back in and like put a comb down and like spray it to make the line crisp, even more crisp than it is now. But yeah, I just want y'all to see like the hair. So this is the hair. It's long. It goes all the way down to my butt. You know, I like curly hair. Like, curly hair is my thing. I had curly hair for my sweet 16. I like curly hair is my thing, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so we back. It's mostly dry now, so I'm gonna try to go back in the hot comb now. I'm gonna take my wax stick and put it at the top. I'm gonna do a middle, but I still decided to like wax this, right, just to be good. Because I wouldn't be able to put it in the middle when I feel like just like moving it and putting it in the middle. So alright, y'all, so this is the final product of the hair. I decided to just put it back. I tried to do the baby hairs for y'all, so yeah. I didn't put, see how it blends like right in? I didn't put any makeup on the actual lace of the wig. I just put it on my bowl cap. I wet it, put some curly butt in it. Just how the hair, this is how the hair looks. So yeah, I I didn't show y'all everything because, like, what would be the point of showing y'all everything if I do hair as well too? So, if you want to know what I do, like more things of what I do to get it like this, just book me or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll put the hair details in the description, even though it's not a sponsored video. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. So